Good morning, my friends. So this video is for the second grade math group, and you guys are going to be working in your workbooks on Unit 5, page 8. So let's take a peek. 5 rooms on a floor. Make some floor plans for buildings with 5 rooms on each floor. So let's think back to the activity that we did yesterday during our live math class. So we had to fill in some tables. And you filled in the tables with how many rooms and how many floors, right? And there were 2 examples that we did yesterday. So there was an example that had a floor plan with 4 rooms and it looked like this, right? So it looked like a square and it had the 4 rooms like that. And then there was another table that had a floor plan with 4 rooms, but it looked like this. So you would fill out the table the exact same way because no matter what, on the first floor, there's 4 rooms. Remember, you're looking at this like if you were a bird and you were looking down on top of a building. So really, I'm holding it up like this, but you would be looking at it like this if it was a building. So the tables would be filled out the same way because there's 4 rooms. So you would be skip counting by 4 or multiplying by 4, right? So on page 8, it wants you to draw some floor plans with 5 rooms. So remember, they're not going to look the same. And I am going to post an example of 2. One is labeled floor plan A and the other is labeled floor plan B. And then there is a 3D image of floor plan B. So you can take a look. So I want you to try to find at least 10 ways. If you want to try to do more, you can do more. If you have the connecting cubes at home, that's wonderful. And you can do a model while you're right there and then draw it on the paper. But if you don't, like I just took construction paper and cut out a bunch of squares, and that's what I've been using to help me with the math. So once you are done completing page 8 and showing me 10 different ways of a floor plan with 5 rooms, in the comment section of the video, I'm going to post another table, okay? And this table is labeled Building I. And it has the total number of floors and the total number of rooms. But be careful when you're filling it in because some numbers are missing from both columns. So you'll have to fill in the missing numbers for total number of floors. And you'll have to fill in numbers for the total number of rooms. So go ahead and have fun.